Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. If you're new here, I'm Dani, mama of four, sharing motivation to get your home clean and organized. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of cleaning, but most of all, we're going to be taking down Christmas decorations. I absolutely love the Christmas season, so I'm kind of sad to see it go. Let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I just restocked and organized our refrigerator and I'm happy with the way it turned out. The day after New Year's, we had a small get together. So these drinks that are on the island is what's left over from our cooler, and I'm just glad I had enough space to put them in the refrigerator. I won't be hopping in here too much, you guys, so if you have any questions, feel free to chat with me over on Instagram or drop them in the comments below. When I'm with you, I am not myself. The best in me, the side of you can't see, and I don't need any other help than you standing by my side, if only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on, and we're fading in and out together. The field's wide open, stuck in the moment. The field's wide open, stuck in the moment. The field's wide open, stuck in the Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes,
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
And just like that, the Christmas tree is down. No, I'm kidding you guys. It actually took, in real life, 5 minutes to take it down, and my husband helped me off camera. And this was the first year we had a flocked Christmas tree, and this was the little mess that it left behind. I love this Christmas tree so much that I didn't even decorate it. I just love Christmas trees that look in their natural state, as if you would find it in the woods somewhere in the middle of a winter wonderland. That's how my Christmas tree looked in our living room.
Until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. I found a star in you, always guiding me to when my words are true. I've waited 1,000,000 years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel.
As you guys might have noticed, yes, we did rearrange the living room from the last time you guys seen it. And I don't know, I think I like it this way better. Let me know what you think.
It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Oh, and nature are my least favorite state of mind. But I go there all the time, all the time.
That's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it got you motivated to take down your Christmas tree and decorations if you still have those up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps my channel out so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
No, I ain't trying